could take your waste gas and produce electricity with it, would you do it?
Good morning, my name is Mike Berger. We're here with Black Gold Rush Industries. We're working on installing a rush power unit at the Town of Sundre heater.
The rush power works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, as long as it has waste gas or some form of gas, natural gas or propane providing it. Where would you use the rush power? You can use rush power on most remote sites where you typically use solar. You can use the waste gas getting vented on site to run your rush power unit and produce electricity.
So we have a 1000 watt rush power unit here on site. Provides 24 volts DC to power a remote SCADA site, remote heater site, a remote heater treater site.
And the Stirling engine that the rush power uses is actually in the carbon offset protocol, where you can generate carbon offsets for using that waste gas to generate electricity.